So today we are going to study about the anatomy and physiology of cornea. Just a quick revision. So what is cornea? Cornea is nothing but a round, convex, transparent structure that is covering the anterior of 1/6 of the eye capsule. So here you can see this is our eyeball, and the whole eyeball is covered by a envelope. The anterior 1/6 of the eye is known as cornea, while the 5/6 of the remaining is known as sclera. Now, the shape of cornea, that centrally it is spherical. As we move along the center to the periphery, it gets flattened, and the cornea at its center is the most thinnest. When we go from center to the periphery, it becomes thicker. Important point for the thickness, that regarding the thickness, we can diagnose many diseases such as keratoconus, glaucoma, and especially when we are doing the laser surgery, the thickness should be known. The radius of curvature, like how the cornea is curved. The refractive index is 1.37. Anteriorly, curvature is measured for the intraocular lens in cataract surgery. The refractive power of cornea is 43 diopters. Anteriorly, it's 48 because it is convex, and posteriorly the cornea is concave. That's why its refractive power becomes -5 diopters. Embryologically, epithelium and stroma and endothelium are made from surface ectoderm and neural crest cell. Talking about the structure of cornea, there are 5 layers in the cornea. First of all, there is epithelium. Epithelium is non-keratinized squamous epithelium, and it is differentiated from the limbal stem cells. These limbal stem cells divide into two daughter cells. One the limbal stem cell, and other one is the epithelial cells. Okay, now this epithelium has some cells. These are called surface cells that have microvilli which are in contact with the tear film. And next to the surface cell we have wing cells. These are of like 2 to 3 layers, and then attached to the next Bowman's membrane we have basal cells. Basal cells are columnar cells attaching to the Bowman's membrane, and this Bowman's membrane is made up of collagen fibrils. Next to the Bowman's membrane there is the thickest part of cornea known as stroma. Okay, the 90% of the thickness of the cornea is due to the stroma. It is made up of collagen, proteoglycan, and the fibroblasts, the keratocytes. Next to the stroma is the Descemet membrane, and the Descemet membrane ends at the periphery, and there is a visible line known as Schwab's line. The last membrane or structure of cornea is endothelium, and it's important because it plays a vital role in dehydration of the cornea. As cornea is avascular, so it has no blood supply, but at the limbus we have perilimbal plexus that supply the limbal part. Nerve supply, it is supplied by the trigeminal nerve of the branch includes ophthalmic and the ciliary nerve. Cornea is mostly innervated tissue in the whole body. Nutrition, basically nutrition, the metabolic products from the of the cornea are drained anteriorly by the tear film and posteriorly by the aqueous humor. Function of the cornea is it acts as a powerful refracting lens and focuses rays on the retina. Corneal transparency. How can cornea be so transparent? Because it have no blood or no lymphatics. It has active endothelial pump, and it has stromal collagen fibers. So that's all about the quick review regarding anatomy and physiology of cornea. Thank you. Bye-bye.